my name is Tasha. Welcome to Tasha's World. Today I am making aloo ki sabji, which is Indian potato curry. This dish doesn't have any onion or garlic, so it's very popular during the festive season. It goes really well with poori and paratha. So come on, let's get started. For potato curry, we need 4 medium size of potatoes, 4 pieces of tomatoes, half teaspoon of chaat masala, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder, half teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 fistful of cilantro, 1 to 2 green chilli, half teaspoon of carom seed, half teaspoon of big mustard seed, 2 teaspoon of fennel seed, half teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, half teaspoon of asafoetida, 2 tablespoons of mustard oil and 1 teaspoon of salt. Boil the potatoes and peel them. Slit the tomatoes. Then boil and peel the skin. Heat the mustard oil in a pan till the oil starts smoking. Add salt. This will take away the mustard smell. Add asafoetida, fennel seed, mustard seeds, carom seeds, cumin seeds, and fenugreek seeds. Add the boiled and peeled tomatoes and mash them thoroughly. Add salt, roasted cumin powder, coriander powder, chaat masala, Kashmiri red chilli powder, stir the masala well. Now add green chillies, cilantro, mix it till the oil separates. Now add 1 cup of water, stir it, then add boiled potatoes which are mashed, mix it well. I added another half cup of water for more gravy. Now cover the lid and cook it for 7 to 8 minutes. And our potato curry is ready. This aloo ki sabji goes really well with poori or paratha. Wow, this potato curry looks so yummy and tastes so delicious. I'm sure your family will love it. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video with a new recipe. Bye!